Hi all. So in this video series we are going to see React application with Spring Boot. So now, as I think in the last video series we have seen Angular with Spring Boot application. So in the same video series we are going to see with React along with the Spring Boot application. So for Spring Boot application already we have done the coding things, so we are not going to implement anything new for Spring Boot. Just we are going to implement React application and we are going to integrate the APIs via Spring Boot. That's it. Already we have done. I think I have added that link in the description. So if you want to know regarding Spring Boot codes regarding APIs and all, you can able to see in the description link. Already one video series is there. So now I will start the YouTube e-commerce server, which is I already the source code is shared in the GitHub URL, and I have added the video link in the description as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is first I will create the project for the e-commerce application for the React application. So what I'm going to do is I'm just adding the folder in the Visual Studio Code. So I am adding this Visual Studio Code, and as usual first I will create application using npx first I will create e-commerce. Okay, this is the simple application I'm going to create now. So based on the internet connection it will take some time, so let it get created. So once it created, yeah, I think it's created. Okay, let it get created. After created I will put pause for this video. The project has been created successfully. So as usual in the previous video series in Angular I have used the same website template which I have downloaded from the W3 layouts. So it's the same template I'm going to integrate with our React application. Okay, so here mainly I am going to use a functional component. I'm not going to use any class component, so I'm going to use functional component only. So first I will start our React application. So npm start is the function to start our React application. So first I need to navigate. Yeah, so I think our React project has been started. Yeah, so this is the default web page. So what I'm going to do is I will delete everything. I don't want anything here, so I will delete. Okay, first thing is I'm gonna integrate the HTML code to our application. So first thing is one header and one slider and the category things, and I should add to cart function. So whatever we have done for Angular, the same thing we are going to done in React application. That's it. Okay, this is the home page, and next is the category page and about us and pages and mailers. I think mostly we are not going to see this thing at all. Going to see products and all these things actually. Then I think we have having sign up. That's also we are going to integrate with the same model design. And if I click this thing, it will show some. In case if user added something, it will show the cart items here. Okay, so these things we are going to integrate in our React application. Okay, first we will integrate the CSS part, CSS and all these things. So this is the HTML template code. So I'm just copy only the fonts, images, JS from here to our application. So there's a one folder called public. Maybe I will create I will create a new folder called asset. So I will paste it here. Okay, I have pasted everything. So all the items are pasted here. Okay, now I want to move the index file, which is the starting file. This file I want to integrate with our React application initially, then I will move one by one. Okay, so first maybe I will create one component called home file or something. So home.js, correct. So in the home.js, as usual, it's a functional component, so I'm not using anything, I'm not using any class component or something. So home, correct? Okay. I will open this index.html inside Visual Studio Code, so I can able to easily integrate to our application. I will split the window. Okay, so I want this CSS to our application, so I just copied. This is the common CSS, correct? So what I'm going to do is I'm just put in the common web page instead of putting in the home page. I will put this in a common page, which is nothing but I think index.html. So this is the common one. So in this common page, I'm just placing this file. I think it has to be inside the assets folder. So all these things should come under assets folder. So I'm changing the path name based on our new file. Okay, now we have done, and I think we need this also, font of some CSS. Okay, this we have done, and jQuery, this thing and all I don't need. Okay, from this header I'm just copy everything. First I will move one by one, then we can integrate, because React, it's not an easy thing to integrate. So I just copied. So all the class should be class name actually. Because class is not supported in the React, which means JSX, so we need to change it to class name. Okay, so this ID and radio. Some problem in the code, by the way. So due to some unclosed tag, it's not able to. Plus in the JSX, it should, all the tags should close in the proper manner, otherwise it will show the error. As you can know, the error has been gone correct. Okay. Okay, now I need to call the home page here. Okay, now let me see the output. Okay, see, you can see the header page comes without any error. Okay, now we will add the menu in the page, same page. Maybe I can create one more component called menu, so that I can able to integrate. So for example, my god, menu. So here also I'm adding menu. So here I need navigation, so I just copy the navigation. So I just remove all the existing content. I will just paste it here. So I don't need this comment, because this comment is not applied in the React.js. So save. I hope it won't create any issues. Yes. So I need to check in the compiler also. Okay, everything is fine. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just calling this menu from in the app, maybe below the home. I will call this menu. Okay, yes, it came. So menu also came actually now. So both header and the menu came in our application, correct? So if I click this thing, it has to open the model that we need to do. Okay, now the menu came. Next thing is we need to show the slider from our HTML page. So what is the next part is banner actually. So banner container internet store special offers. Okay, this is the banner and this is the banner bottom, I think so. Okay, so till that it is the banner bottom actually. So I think I don't need this can't be able to work in React application, so I don't need. First I will copy the code and I will move this thing. So I just copy the banner. I think this is related with the home page. So what I'm gonna do is I will just paste the content inside the home page. So I will remove the script I don't need. So I am removing the script and I don't should not use this comment as it is not supported in the React application. Okay, some I think some other tags are not closed properly. So h3 which tag, h3 closed, div closed. So it's telling something is not closed properly. Cut tag, div tag. Yes, came. So this thing also came properly. Okay, next thing is we want to show this this category we need to show. But once we integrate the API, this all this menu will be dynamically rendered actually. So it's not like static all these menus, right? So this will be dynamically rendered in our application. Okay, I'm just copy this thing till the so I think so. I'm just copying and pasting and I don't know whether it is working or not. Let me see. So it has to be come inside the header. Yeah, no. It came, but it is unaligned actually. Some problem in the div actually. So let me see. So till the banner bottom it was there. Where is the banner bottom? all these things inside the banner bottom only. Container. Okay, this also comes inside the container. Okay, inside the banner bottom left. Okay, that's it. Okay, the div has to be come inside the container. Okay, just undo the changes. Okay, and just copied everything. Control X. So it should be inside here. Okay, if I refresh, I think yeah, it's working fine. I can see the page is ready. Maybe the images is not loading, that we need to dynamically load it because we have added, right? So it has to be rendered from the assets folder. So I think I need to put how much. So our folder is inside the source. So source and public as assets. Yes, and inside the images. Okay, let me see whether it is working or not. It's not working. Let me see the source and inspect. I think this image is load from the CSS, but here how can we load? Assets images. Okay, I think we should not use this word public. Yes, came. Okay, that's fine. I think we have to copy these assets and we need to paste it everywhere. We can use some replace method, but now I am doing something just to check whether it is working or not. Yes, it's working fine. Yeah, I think based on the image content it's sliding one by one. Okay, that's fine. Okay, what are we going to do is I'm just copy this thing. If it is the text, I will replace with the replace text. So replace. Okay, same thing. Only thing is correct, right? So if the content is like this, and it will replace with this. Replaced. Let's see whether it is, yeah, all the images loaded properly. So if I click audio, so this event we need to add actually. So it was added in the template with the JavaScript jQuery. As we are working in React application, this we need to work on the dynamic on click event. Okay, so this we need to do. I think apart from this, I think mostly we have done here. I thought it take too much time to integrate, but without anything React is a little bit easier only, I hope so, comparing to Angular. Okay. Okay, I think I don't need, I'm not adding this thing at all. This is like a simple content. And this also I'm not adding. Maybe the footer, this footer part we can add in our website. Maybe I can create one footer component. This is a simple component. Okay. I will create a new component called footer. .js, and I will copy this thing with the top thing. Oh, sorry. Export function footer, correct. So in this footer, what I'm gonna do is I will just copy the footer content. Copying the footer here. Correct. Done. So in the app.js, as usual, after that I will add this footer. So I'm just saving all the files and going to our application. Some problem. Where is the problem? In the footer.js, it's telling some error. I think some tags are not closing properly. Okay. Where is the problem? Expected 70, line number 70, some error is coming. It's because of this line. Just now before I told React is easy. Now it got some error. I don't know why. What is the error? The error is anchors must have current must access by screen reader. Might be in the footer parts error. It's properly closed. Everything is properly closed. Do anchor tag. First I will just comment it. Let me see whether it is working or not. Yeah, so the problem is in the footer only. Where is the error? Oh no, the footer is coming. How come? Okay, some images are missing. I think everything is working fine. Maybe some due to some history it is not loading actually. Okay, that's fine. Okay, then why it is got aligned, misaligned? Maybe some CSS are missing. So what are those CSS? Any CSS they have been added dynamically anywhere in the project, or any particular div is missing? That is also not happening. I think due to this menu. Okay, I will comment this menu and let's see where it is happening. That is also not. Okay, this is working fine. I think some CSS is getting overridden or somewhere. Okay, moreover I want this menu in the center of the web page, so I will move this menu content inside the home page. Maybe here I will put. Yes, properly came, right? Everything came, but except this footer. Actually, I don't know, maybe some problem in the footer or any images. Any CSS is not loading. Let me see. Footer container. No, I see the same code. Footer container is there. Let me see our code. This footer is there and container is there. Still same CSS only loading. Yes. Okay, here is the image is missing in the footer. Maybe I can check for img. Okay, so here we need to add the assets, right? So where is the another one? Okay, only two things. Yeah, the images came. Okay, that is working fine. Okay, this code we need to check actually. This is why it is not working, all these things. Okay, apart from this, mostly all the integration part has been done to our application. So if I click this button, I need to open the model. Maybe that part we can do now. So if I click this user icon, I need to open the login button. In the login model, we can have both sign in and sign up button, correct? Okay. I think that we have done. I think that is there in the home page. Let me see whether, yeah. So this is the model, I think so. Container. This is the only icon, I think so, yeah. So the model is model. Where is the model? This is cart box. I think for this model we need to look the code from our HTML page. So model dialog, yeah. So this is the model, yeah. So this content we need to move to our React application. So maybe just copy. I'm just copying everything. Okay, copied, and I'm gonna paste it inside the home folder. Maybe now I'm pasting inside the home folder, but it has to be separated. I don't want this script and all. I'm just removing. Somewhere something is not closed properly. Some error came. What is the error? I think they have added some inline styles. Let's create some issue. So where is the inline? Yeah, here is the inline that I'm removing now. Okay. Yes, came. Okay. So now if I click this, I think it should not be. I have to replace it with the class name. So class name, correct? Replace all. Okay. This is the problem. Okay, what I want is done, right? Okay, nothing is there. Class is the same. Okay, this thing again, and then for this page also I will replace class with the class name. Replace all, done. In app there won't be any changes. In the menu.js also I am replacing all these things. Correct. So I'm just saving the file. I'm going to the web page. Let me see everything is working fine. Yeah, there is no error actually. So some menu, where is the menu logo? I don't need this logo. I don't need this. Okay, so if I refresh, some error is coming. Where is the error? Okay, this we can solve one by one in future. Okay, yeah. So now I think our website has been done. So some misalignment is there for CSS, that I will see why it is not working. Apart from this basic integration we have done, I think in the next video part we will see. If I click, it has to open the model pop-up, and we will start with the API integration also. So thank you guys. If you have any doubts or any clarification, please post in the comments, and please share it with your friends. Please like the video, please share it. Thank you, Ananda.